Right, round two. We've all had a every man for himself warm up. Benny is now hunting Alex, who is somewhere concealed below in the dense woodland. Right, Benny, I'll give you a clue. He's not in front of you, he's down. Right. No, look, he went down there somewhere, then he went down and kind of come round a bit, so he's probably off that way. Right, I'm going to pause the video so we hit the firefight because you're boring me. Oh, we're in. Yep. Alex, running like a bitch. Be professional, Benny, get some cover down. Benny, crouch or something, man. I see you, Alex. Benny, chase him, man. Split to cover. Benny, advance on him. That was slick, Moki. Benny, stand. You're a bigger target. Try scratching him off him, mate. Whoop. Whoa. He's advancing uphill. Come on, get a kill. You're fucked. Surrender, Alex, advance, surrender him. Fucking hell.
People going down, put them down. Put them down now.
Benny, surrender or get shot. Good game, lads. Right, my turn to get some sniping done.